A beginner's guide to CapCut in 60 seconds. Import content through the media tab or drag and drop, and do the same for audio. Sync audio by selecting both the audio and video clip, then right clicking and choose sync. To get auto captions, select the audio. Under text or captions, you'll find auto captions. Noise reduction can be found under the basic tab, where you'll also find voice changes and adjustment speed. For masking and chrome key, select the video, tap mask and choose your preferences. Chrome key for specific color, like removing green screen. When selecting footage, under the basic tab, you'll find options for stabilization, denoise, remove flicker, and motion blur. Explore the filters panel for color grading, the text panel for titles and captions, and the stickers panel for adding animated stickers to your video. For more advanced color grade, head to the adjustment tab, where you can tweak settings like brightness, contrast, and saturation, and use curves for precise color control. Apply edits to an adjustment layer to protect your original footage, or edit individual clips directly. In the import panel, you can access stock material, where you'll find free to use videos, music, and sound effects to enhance your content. Keyframes are located on the right side of every adjustment slider. Place a keyframe at the start of the clip, make your adjustments, and set another keyframe to animate changes. Effects and transitions can also be found under their own tab. To track a subject, simply place a sticker or a dot underneath your video, and the track option should come up on the right. Cool, that's everything you'd need to know about CapCut in 60 seconds to get you started. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. Stay mad, stay magical, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.